Aryan children, this is the second video of chapter sound. In this video, I'll explain you the sound terms related to sound wave. So first, we'll draw the graph. Graphically, we represent a sound wave. Suppose we'll draw a displacement time graph. When a body vibrates, so it will definitely displace in a particular time. So you take the displacement in the y-axis and time in the x-axis. By taking the displacement time graph, I'll explain to you different terms related to sound wave. So you draw the y-axis and x-axis and so this is the displacement time graph. Here time we have to take in the x-axis, unit is second, and here displacement unit is meter, we have taken in the y-axis. So one term first I will explain, then the definition I will write. So here in the displacement time graph, what is amplitude first? Amplitude, the maximum displacement of the particles of the medium. In this sound wave, the maximum displacement of the particles of the medium on either side, upside and downside, both sides, this side and this side. This is the mean position. And the maximum displacement, this is the mean position. So from here, the maximum displacement of the particles of the medium on either side from its mean position is called amplitude. So this is, or this one is called the amplitude, symbolically represented as A. So understood what is amplitude? The maximum displacement of the particles of the medium on either side from its mean position is called amplitude. Then time period. Suppose displacement, here we have to mark here. Suppose here 0, here 0.5, here 1 second, here 1.5, here 2 second, here suppose 2.5, here 3 second, and here also time you take. Suppose this is 1 meter, suppose displacement 1 meter, here 2 meter, here suppose 3 meter. So what is time period? Time period is the time taken to complete one vibration. Time taken to complete one vibration. From here start, from here end. This is one vibration. So the time period is the time taken to complete one vibration. That is called time period. So from here to here, that is called here, that is called time period. Symbolically represented as T. So we can say that time period is what? The time taken to complete one vibration, that is called time period. So from here to complete one vibration up to here, so how much time taking? That is called time period. Or we can say this is also, suppose from here how much time taken to complete one, that is also called time period. Clear? What is time period? Then frequency. Frequency is the number of vibration completed in 1 second. In 1 second time, how many vibration completed? That is called frequency. Frequency of the sound wave. So the number of vibration, like this is one vibration, this is one vibration, like this, how many vibration made in 1 second? That is called frequency. Clear? Understood what is frequency? So first I'll write the definition, then after that I'll explain what is wavelength, wave velocity in the next graph. So first you write, in the graph you have to draw like this. This question may comes, draw the displacement time graph and show there the amplitude, the time period. Clear? We have to show it. Amplitude is symbolically represented as A, the maximum displacement of the particles of the medium on either side from its mean position is called amplitude. Its SI unit is meter. Clear? So when a sound wave propagates, in that sound wave the maximum displacement of the particles of the medium on either side from its mean position is called amplitude, and its SI unit is meter. Clear? Then your time period. Time period symbolically represented as T. The time taken by the particles of the medium to complete one vibration is called time period. Its SI unit is second. Its SI unit is second. So understood time period. Then frequency. Its symbol is small f, or n also it will be written as. So frequency, the number of vibration made by the particles of the medium in 1 second is called frequency. It's symbolically representative and its unit is Hertz, Hz. Clear? So the number of vibration made by the particles of the medium in 1 second is called frequency and its SI unit is Hertz. So these terms understood, these three terms. Now next I will explain you what is wavelength and wave velocity. For this we have to draw the graph of displacement distance graph. It will draw the displacement and distance graph here. Displacement we have to take in the y axis, unit is meter, and time we can take in the x-axis, unit is second. Sorry, time, distance we have to take in the x-axis, unit is meter. So wavelength is the distance covered by the particles of the medium in one vibration. How much distance covered? Suppose one vibration means here it will start then here it will come, and so this is completing one vibration. So the distance covered by the particles of the medium in one complete vibration, that is called your wavelength. So from here to here, so this distance is called, symbolically wavelength is represented as like this lambda, and the distance covered here by the particles of the medium in one complete vibration, that is called wavelength. Or we can explain here, this is the wavelength. So here to here, that is called wavelength or lambda. Symbolically it is represented as lambda. So this is wavelength. So what is wave velocity? Wave velocity is the distance covered by the wave in unit time, that is called wave velocity. Velocity, you know that distance by time when the body moving in a straight path. So velocity is what? Distance covered per unit time. Like this in the sound wave also, wave velocity is the distance covered by the wave in unit time or in 1 second, that is called your wave velocity. Understood what is wavelength and wave velocity? Now I am writing the definition. You write it. Your wavelength. Wavelength symbolically represented as lambda, written as the distance covered by the particles of the medium in one complete vibration is called wavelength. Its SI unit is, as it is covering some distance, so SI unit is meter. Clear? The distance covered by the particles of the medium in one complete vibration. How much distance covering? That is the wavelength. And wave velocity symbolically represented as v. So the distance covered by the wave in 1 second is called wave velocity. So its SI unit is wave velocity is distance by time, distance covered, wavelength unit is meter, time unit is second. So meter per second. Clear? So what is wavelength and wave velocity understood? Clear? So in this video I have explained you different terms related to sound wave, and the graphically also I have represented this one. So this much in this video. In the next video I will explain you the characteristics or the properties of the sound wave, how sound is produced, one sound how differ from another sound, that I will explain. So in this video this much. Thank you.